Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So as you can see, today I'm making some masoor dal. This dal is very quick and easy to make, and it just literally takes 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish. So give your dal a good wash a few times and soak it while we make the masala. So let's get started. So I have here about 1/3 of a cup of oil, and to that I added 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and I already have the dal that I washed and soaked, and it just takes a few ingredients, not a lot. So I have here 1 chicken cube, 2 green chili slit, a little bit of cilantro, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of zira powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 tomato. Now this has salt, the chicken cube, so watch your salt. So if you're not using that, then adjust your salt accordingly. So let's start to saute the ginger and garlic. Once it turns a little bit golden, go ahead and add just a little bit water. I'm just going to use the water from the dal. And add a little bit of water, and then go ahead and throw your green chilies, your spices, and the tomato. You can grind your tomato, but I'm just being lazy today, so I'm not going to grind it. I'm just going to throw it in there and cover it for a little bit, and the skin will come off. And then I'm gonna just mash it up. We'll also add the chicken cube. It just gives a really nice flavor. And I'm gonna go ahead, lower the heat, and cover it for a few minutes. So the tomatoes kind of cook down a little bit, okay? So there you go. Okay, these are hot. So I really don't like the skins of the tomatoes in my food. So it's either I grind them or I just leave them to cook down a little bit, and then it's really easy to remove the skin. Also add half a teaspoon of paprika, because I'm not using red chilies. So if you're using red chilies, then there's no need for paprika, because you will get that color. Now we're gonna cook this until the oil separates. Now at this point, you can see that the oil has separated, and now your masala is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and put the dal in. And now we're gonna saute this for a few minutes before we add the water. after a few minutes, go ahead and add your water. I added 2 cups of water. And now we're gonna let that come to a boil, and then cover it, lower the flame, and usually takes about 10 minutes. So this is very, very quick dal to make if you're in a rush. And after about 10 minutes, your dal should look something like this. If you like your dal a bit runny, then add more water, but for me this is perfect. I did mix it in between. After about 5 minutes of cooking, I did mix it once, so in 10 minutes this is completely done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the cilantro, and you can also add some garam masala. I didn't add that, but you can if you prefer. And your dal is ready. You can serve it with white rice and roti, paratha, bread, whatever you prefer. It goes well with everything. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes to come. If you haven't done so, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching.